Test of hypothesis on the population mean. Hypothesis testing is a method of testing a claim or hypothesis about a parameter in a population using data measured in a sample. In this method, we test some hypothesis by determining the likelihood that a sample statistic could have been selected and if FP hypothesis regarding the population. So, there are two in testing hypothesis on the population means. Follow the steps below. Number 1. State the null hypothesis H and the alternative hypothesis HA. Number 2. Determine the test statistic that will be used to conduct the hypothesis test. Then calculate its value. Number 3. Find the critical value for the test and draw the critical region. Number 4. Decide and draw a conclusion based on the comparison of the calculated value of the test statistic and the critical value of the test. In general, if the absolute value of the computed value is greater than the absolute value of critical value, we reject the null hypothesis and support the alternative hypothesis. But if the absolute value of the computed value is less than the absolute value of the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis is not supported. In the right-tailed test, if the computed value is greater than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis and support the alternative hypothesis. But if the computed value is less than the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis is not supported. In a left-tailed test, if the computed value is less than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis and support the alternative hypothesis. But if the computed value is greater than the critical value, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis is not supported. Example 1. According to a study conducted by the grade 12 students, 155 is the average monthly expenses for cell phone loads and of high school students in their province. As statistics, students claims that this amount has increased since January of this year. Do you think his claim is acceptable if a random sample of 50 students has average monthly expense of 165 for cell phone loads using 5% level of significance? Assume that population standard deviation is 52. So, watch lang mo ano yung solution, guys. Next is step 2. Determine the test statistics, then compute its value. Since the population mean is being tested, the population standard deviation as known and greater than 30, the appropriate test statistics is the z-test. So, watch lang mo sa slide, guys. Libong-libong. The alternative hypothesis is directional since the one-tailed test, right-tailed test shall be used. From the z-table, at the 0.05 level of significance, the critical value is 1.645. This is the non-rejection region. And the left side is the rejection region. Step 4. Draw a conclusion, then Z computed value is 1.361 and it lies within the non-rejection region. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is no enough evidence to support the claim that the average monthly expense for cell phone loads is more than 155. This result is significant at a 0.05 level. So, that's all. Thank you.